is a very simple question. So what they have asked means which of the following is not, okay, it's not the autocorrelation. So out of A, B, C, D, which is not, okay. So I have to tell you the autocorrelation meaning, okay. Autocorrelation is meaning of, if suppose, if you are having, so here they are given R of tau like this, right? So what is the meaning represents R of tau? If you are considering R of tau, if if the tau is replaced by minus tau means, once again it should get the same tau, okay. So for example, R of minus tau, if it is equal to R of tau means, and it is the property of autocorrelation, okay. That is very important. So you take the first option. First option, R of tau, is it right? R of tau is equal to sine tau by tau. What it means, replace tau by minus tau. So automatically you will be getting a sine of minus tau divided by minus tau. You know, sine of minus anything is minus sine. So minus sine tau divided by minus tau. Minus cancel. Automatically this is an even function, okay. So this is an even function, so you can just say this is an autocorrelation, because autocorrelation is represents always a even function, because if you replace a term by minus, once again the same term comes means it is even. Suppose if you are replacing tau by minus tau and once again you are getting minus tau means it is called what? Odd function, okay. So now we consider the second one. So what second one represents R of tau, which is equal to tau cube plus 2. So now you replace tau by minus tau. So automatically you will getting a minus tau the whole cube plus 2. So it is a minus tau the whole cube, which is equal to once again minus tau, okay, minus tau cube plus 2. Okay, whatever it may be, because it is a minus, because cube means you will get definitely get minus only. So what is this? This is an odd function, okay. So it cannot comes under autocorrelation. Now we consider the third one. What's the third one represents? R of, they are given a range. R of tau is equal to, no need to look at the range, you look at only the tau function, okay, and then it is a 0 like that. So now you replace tau by minus tau, because it is in modulus, so it is equal to 1 minus of minus tau, okay. So that means what? R of minus tau. So automatically, once again you will getting the answer of 1 minus, what is modulus of minus tau? It is tau only, so minus tau. So look at this, these both are same, is it right? So automatically this function is an even function, so I can just tick mark this, because even function always be an autocorrelation. Now we consider the fourth option, okay. So fourth option, what is that? R of tau is equal to 10 sine 3 tau, okay. So that means what is equal to, now you replace tau by minus tau. So automatically 10 sine 3 of minus tau. So 3 of minus tau, is it right? Once again I read it clearly, 10 sine 3 of minus tau. What is sine of minus anything? It will be minus. So minus 10 sine 3 tau. So it is not equal, right? So this function is an odd function. It cannot comes under the autocorrelation. So according to this question, A as well as C option both are right, okay. So you can just tick mark both options. Thank you very much. For any doubts, comment in the comment box.